Hello everyone! Today I am delighted to introduce my newest book, Maltese Made Easy. This is my fourth book and it has been created especially for anyone who would like to learn Maltese in a simple, practical and enjoyable way. The Maltese language is unique and beautiful, but for many learners it can seem difficult at first. That is why I designed this book to guide beginners step by step, using clear explanations, useful vocabulary, everyday conversations, colorful illustrations, and fun exercises. Inside this book, you will learn how to greet people, introduce yourself, use numbers, colors, days of the week, months of the year, talk about your family, daily routine, clothes, shopping, school, the weather, telling the time, and much more. I have also included exercises throughout the book to help you practice what you learn and build confidence as you progress. Whether you are visiting Malta, living in Malta, have Maltese family roots, or simply have an interest in languages, this book is an excellent starting point for your Maltese language journey. Creating this book has been a labor of love, and I sincerely hope it will help learners from around the world discover and appreciate our beautiful language and culture. Thank you to everyone who has supported my work and encouraged me to continue creating educational resources. Your support means a lot to me. I hope you enjoyed this book as much as I enjoyed creating it. Happy learning and remember, lingua żgħira qalb kbira. That means a small language with a big heart. In the description, you will find a link from where you can get it. Thank you and bye.